It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and today we have something from Jamie Oliver. This is it's an Iceland product, low and slow beef ragu. Now, I was in Italy just last week, and their ragu, the word ragu is just a word basically for bolognese, minced meat with bolognese. But in the UK, it's like this is more of a stew. I had the Tesco version of this recently, and it's definitely more of a stewed product. And there's a look at it. It cost me £4 this in Iceland, but I just could not pick it up. Could not pick it up. Loads of onion, loads of carrot, loads of beef, red wine sauce. Oh yes. This is my sort of thing. Ideally, making it in a cast iron pot there. Ideally. But there's two ways you can do this. You can microwave it, which I'm not going to do. You microwave it in 6 minutes, then you peel back the foil, get rid of that, and then further 2 minutes in the microwave, stirring after that 6 minute period. And then, or what I'm going to do is just stick it in a hob and melt it slowly in a hob. With 4 teaspoonfuls of water, leave it on a small heat, bring it to the boil and slowly simmer it for 7 minutes. Heat through for 8 minutes, stirring occasionally until piping hot. Yeah, I'm going to do it on the hob. I'm not really a microwave man if I can help it. So, I'll be back when this is cooked. Okay, this Jamie Oliver beef ragu is ready, and my goodness me, it smells absolutely fantastic. Look at this. Look at this, look at this. Oh. Oh my. Wow. Oh. Wonderfully rich. That red wine sauce is just incredible. Let's be fair, you can buy some rubbish in Iceland, can't you? But if you look hard enough, like this for argument's sake, there is a little bit of quality in it if you want it. Now, for me, the colour of it, the look of it, the beef, I'm almost like looking at it thinking, where are the kidney beans? Where's those red beans to? Of course, it's not a chilli, is it? It's not a chilli, it's a beef ragu. And I think beef ragu is the word of 2025, certainly in the UK. If you go to Italy, beef ragu looks nothing like this. Oh. Off the bone, slow cooked, melt in the mouth beef. Oh, you got to give it to him, haven't you? I mean, I'm pretty sure he didn't stand there cooking up the whole batch of this stuff, Jamie Oliver, but you know, he's had some input into it, hasn't he? And oh, it's so rich. What would I have this with? Some pasta, some spaghetti, maybe some gnocchi? Something gnocchi, as they call it. I think gnocchi would be perfect with this. That kind of stodgy, dough ball potato gnocchi. You could probably at a stretch, if you had some rice in your cupboard, a little bit of long grain rice, you could probably knock up a little bit of rice with this. You could probably add a little bit of chili sauce if you wanted to, and it would very quickly become chili and rice if you wanted it to become that. The lumps of beef, there's a lump of beef in there that is just, oh. It's not even that bad in terms of the saturated fats, the sugars, the salt. The salt is always a major issue. Always a major issue with these frozen ready meals. There's no getting away from that. I eat these ready meals now, my ears ring. My tinnitus plays me up terrible when I eat these salty meals, but my goodness me, some of them are excellent. This is just super rich, tomato, onion, mushroom. The beef just wants to melt in your mouth. There's some carrot there. You definitely get a sense of that red wine. All in all, that is superb. Absolutely superb dinner. How much beef does this dish get? Quite a lot, I imagine. Every mouthful is melt in your mouth beef. Wow. 18% beef. I'd say more like 50%. That's quite staggering. I mean, 18% is enough for me. There's meat in every mouthful. Slow cooked diced beef rib. It's beef rib. Diced smoked bacon, 5%. Yeah, there's so much in here. Beef bones, beef extract, beef meat, beef bones. So it's all of that kind of like the flavour. The flavour in this is staggeringly good. There's a lump of beef there just to finish off. I'm going to rate it. Same old adage. You pay the money. If you want to pay £4 for a ready meal, you get this sort of quality. This sort of good quality stuff. Maybe it's a 3 for £10 deal with Jamie Oliver. Maybe it's 3 meals for £10. I don't know. I bought this about a month or two ago. I can't quite remember. But on its own, absolutely stunning. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.